You don't call us by our past, you call us by our promise. I was Abram, counting stars and doubt, too old to hope, too tired to shout. But you spoke future into my breath, changed my name, rewrote my steps. She was Sarai, barren in pain, but you called her laughter again. When you speak, impossibles bow. You don't see me as I am now. You don't label me by fear or shame. You rewrite my story with a name. When you speak, heaven agrees and identity begins to breathe. Call me by my new name, Lord, not by the life I lived before. What do you say is who I am? I believe it, here I stand. If you change my name, you change my fate. From who I was to who you made, I let the old life fall away. Call me by my new name. New name, new life, new why. I am who you say. I was Jacob, running from my past, stealing blessings, living fast. Wrestled you through the darkest night, broken hip but open sight. You said your name will not remain. You are Israel, you overcame. From deceiver to chosen man, I walk wounded but in your plan. Sometimes change feels like pain, but blessing follows when we stay. What you touch may never be the same, especially when you change the name. Call me by my new name, Lord. I'm not bound to change anymore. Though I live, I still belong. Weak in flesh, but strong in God. If you change Jacob, you can change me. From who I was to destiny, I leave the night, I greet the day. Call me by my new name. I am becoming. I was Simon, unstable heart, bold in words but quick to part. You saw a rock where I saw sand. You called me Peter, strong to stand. I denied you when fear was loud, but grace still called me from the crowd. Failure didn't change your view. You still said, I'll choose in your own sound. Breathing threats and pride, blind to truth on the Damascus side. Then light fell down, I lost my sight, lost my name but found my life. You said, why do you fight my grace? Called me chosen in that place. From killer to preacher of truth, from Saul to Paul, completely new. If you change our names, you can change my heart. If you really lose them, you can rewrite my start. Call me by my new name, Lord. Redeem, restore, reborn. I am not what I used no longer Simon. I am called, I am chosen, I am new.